Look at the way these hats are hung. Look, they got a mantle out here on the front porch. Let's walk down here and check it out. There is a lot to see here, and you can easily spend half a day. The Owens house, Georgian style, gambrel roof. It's built about 1760. And look at this. It's the lodge. Let's go over and check it out. They've even got a little grave out here. Royal White Hart Masonic Lodge. The grave for Montfort. This gate swings only by order of the worshipful master of Royal White Hart Lodge to admit a pilgrim Mason. Joseph Montfort, born in England in 1724, died in Halifax in 1776. Appointed as Grand Master for America on January 4th. Level 1771. Grand Master, Lodge of England. First Clerk, Court of Halifax, Treasurer, Province of North Carolina, Colonel of the Colonial Troops, Member of the Provincial Congress, Orator, Statesman, Patriot, Soldier, highest Masonic official ever reigning on this continent. The first, the last, the only Grand Master of America. Not much traffic on these streets. It's the First Baptist Church. I'm walking down the street here. Right in the middle of the street, there's no traffic. Look at that big old house over there. There's another one. We'll have to check that one out. Established in 1865. I like these wooden churches. Here's another famous house over here. Oh, this is the William Davie house. The founder of the University of North Carolina. Father of the University of North Carolina. Well, this is kind of sacred ground here. William R. Davie House. Traditional Georgian federal townhouse. North Carolina's most distinguished and influential federal leader. Davis attended the United States Constitutional Convention in 1787 and supported its ratification. The present structure has had both additions and alterations during Davie's ownership. An interior chimney was removed and replaced with two exterior ones. Davie moved to South Carolina after the death of his wife in 1802. Sarah Davie is buried in the Colonial Cemetery within the State Historical Site. Davie left the house to his son Allen Jones Davie, who sold the property in 1808. In 1789, he introduced legislation chartering the University of North Carolina and earning him the unofficial title, Father of the University. He also served as governor and envoy to France. What's going on over here? Some trash burning? Look, they got two sets of front steps. Now I'm assuming that nobody lives in this house, but I'm not intruding on somebody's private property here. And look how they did the wells. Looks like they're doing some renovation in here. Or restoration. Either or. And maybe they have tours here. No, I see lumber in there. Doing some repairs, I suppose. And look at these big cedar trees. Here comes the train. Look at the double chimneys and modern convenience additions. And look at the mistletoe in this tree. It's full of it. That was a lot of work keeping the fire going in the wintertime. And I hear a train coming by. So you see the cupola of the courthouse over there.